Imagine this. You want to vote in a super important game, but instead of paper ballots, you vote with shiny gold coins. Sounds fancy, right? But wait, what if the more coins you put in, the louder your voice gets? Is it strange? Maybe. Is it smart? Absolutely. Let's find out. Picture a giant treasure chest where friends gather to decide what happens next in their kingdom. To join the vote, each person drops gold coins inside. The chest counts the coins and says, "Okay, the people with coins in here get to help lock the treasure safely." The more coins someone adds, the more they're trusted to guard the chest. Why? Because if they mess up, they risk losing their gold. That's how proof of stake works in the digital world. Instead of digging for treasure, people put their coins at stake. The system then chooses helpers based on their coins to check if trades are fair. If they play by the rules, they keep their coins and earn more. If they try to cheat, their gold is gone. It's like saying, "I believe in this game so much, I'm putting my own treasure on the line." This matters for you because it makes sure digital treasures, like your favorite game skins or online collectibles, stay safe. Nobody can just copy them or sneak around the rules. It's fair, it's fast, and it keeps the kingdom running smoothly. Imagine knowing the rare sword you won in a game can't be stolen or faked. That's the magic of having skin in the game. So now, you know how proof of stake works and why it's all about trust and fairness. Here are the main terms you can remember and share. Proof of stake, a system where people use their coins to help keep trades safe. Stake, the gold coins you put in to show you're serious and trustworthy. Skin in the game, risking your own treasure so everyone knows you'll play fair. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.